Hey guys, it's Zero41. Welcome back to another awesome big box of toys video. Guys, do me a big favor, smack the like button, subscribe, the bell icon, turn on for more videos like this. If you watch this video from start to finish without skipping through the video, you're part of the awesome squad. Check out the top right hand corner of this video for my main channel, along with a bunch of other content that I've created on this channel. I'm doing a giveaway at 100,000 followers on this channel, guys. So I'm going to be giving away $1,000 and more once we hit 100K followers. So make sure you subscribe, smack the like button, watch the video from start to finish, leave a comment in the comment section below and you automatically enter the giveaway. I'm going to be reviewing these two gigantic boxes full of ocean toy animals. I cannot wait to show all of you guys all of the amazing creatures in this toy review. So there's a lot, so bear with me, guys. Okay, so first up, we got this huge squid. This beautiful orange squid. Oh, here we go. We got this cool looking crab. This king crab. We have a blue cookie cutter shark. We have this beautiful seahorse. Another seahorse. Next up, we have this little baby dolphin. We have this other great white shark. We have one baby hammerhead shark and a ginormous hammerhead shark. We have a carpet shark. We have this beautiful orange octopus. We have this small megalodon. Terrifying megalodon. We have this fur seal. We have this cat-lion shark. Alright, we have another shark. There's a lot of sharks in this one, guys. Here we go. We have this. We have another squid. I believe this is another squid. I could have sworn there was a different name for it, but it's a beautiful creature anyway. Next up, we have this beautiful blue whale. We have this goblin shark. We have another fur seal. This beautiful stingray or manta ray. We have an orca. We have another beautiful whale. We have another killer whale or orca. Another beautiful shark. We have a harbor seal. We have this beautiful walrus with the tusks. Here we go, we have a tiger shark. Another seahorse. A small little catfish. We have a starfish. We have another beautiful shark. Oh, this beautiful blue shark. Oh, there he goes. We have another tiger shark. Another orca. Another killer whale. We have this beautiful whale shark. We have this beautiful octopus. A beautiful hammerhead shark. This cool looking dolphin, kind of terrifying. This great white shark. Another goblin shark, or cookie cutter shark, one of the two, and this is cookie cutter shark. Here we go, we have this small little yellow fish. We have this clownfish. Another seal. This beautiful stingray. Another scary looking shark. This huge goblin shark. Terrifying. We have another shark. Here we go, we have a small little crab. We have two tuna fish. One tuna fish. We have this sea turtle. And another stingray. This one's all lime green. That's the first box, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's get on to the second box here of more ocean creatures. Here we go. We have a blue ringed octopus. Oh, another scary looking octopus. This one's all like a red or a maroon color. Here we go. We have an anglerfish. Basking shark. Another great white shark. There's a lot of sharks, guys. They gotta start making more animals other than sharks. We have another great white shark. Here we go. We have a mosasaurus, prehistoric creature. We have the sperm whale. We have another manta ray or stingray. Plesiosaur. Great white shark. Basking shark. Another basking shark. We have this awesome looking pufferfish. Pretty cool. Another megalodon, or meg for short. We also have this blue marlin. We have another walrus. Another hammerhead shark. Oh, here we go. We have another giant crab. We have another lobster. Not really a small lobster, a bigger one, but still pretty cool. Here we go. We have another octopus and another walrus attached to it. Must have got it for lunch or something. I don't know. Another seal. Here we go. We have another sand shark. Look at the pile. Look at the pile of ocean animals. Here we go. We have another whale shark, a little smaller. Here we have a tiger shark. Very old school tiger shark. Another mosasaurus. We have a ghost. We have a ghost shark. Another hammerhead shark. Another great white shark. A red and yellow octopus. We have a manatee. Another whale shark. A sea lion. Another killer whale. Another orca or killer whale with his mouth wide open. Another beautiful shark. Another dolphin. Another scary looking shark, mouth wide open. We have another manatee, this one a little bit bigger. And we have another hammerhead shark. This beautiful blue shark with the black tail. Amazing. Another dolphin, and last but not least, we have this huge great white shark. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was the big box of 2 boxes of ocean animal toys. If you guys want more videos like this in the future, do me a big favor. Really helps me out a lot to know what you guys want. So smack the like button, subscribe, the bell icon, turn on, and you guys don't forget, stay awesome. See you guys later.